accept our salah. Allahumma ameen ya Rabbil Alameen. Subhanallah, it's the juz number 18. And we are 12 juz away from having the khatm, inshallah Rabbil Alameen. And by the way, inshallah, the khatm will be, of course, the night of 27th of Ramadan. And inshallah, we will start tahajjud, inshallah Rabbil Alameen, by the night of 21st. So that will be Tuesday, this Tuesday, inshallah. We will start at 4:15 a.m. Inshallah, we will have the suhoor. Where is Brother Faisal? Yes, mashallah. Okay, he's the man responsible for food. We have to secure the portion of the food, inshallah.
How many people are going to be here?
Inshallah, inshallah. Inshallah, all the brothers here will be here, inshallah.
100 people.
Inshallah, at least 100 people, inshallah.
If they come, we will make it happen.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. You see? Alhamdulillah, by the mercy of Allah. So inshallah, will you join us in tahajjud, then we get suhoor together and get fajr, inshallah. If you are intending, you just raise your hand. Bismillah. Bismillah.
5 people.
5? Put me down.
Okay, 7.
You see, I'm arranging with the man 100 persons, and now just only 5. What happened? Huh? Brother Kamal didn't raise his hand. Yes, of course. So he's keeping an eye on you. Inshallah, Allah make it easy, inshallah, for all of us. These are the nights that we need to strive and inshallah, and work hard for the sake of Allah, because we are searching for Laylatul Qadr, right? We are seeking Laylatul Qadr, inshallah. May Allah grant us Laylatul Qadr. Allahumma ameen ya Rabbil Alameen. Very quickly, Surah Al-Mu'minun, the surah of the believers. And it's very remarkable when you talk about Surah Al-Mu'minun. Of course, you cannot talk about Surah Al-Mu'minun in 10 minutes even, or 15 minutes. But there is something I'm just directing you, instructing you, and suggesting you to go and seek Surah Al-Mu'minun, recite Surah Al-Mu'minun. Because Allah is talking about me and you. Allah is giving us a powerful message in Surah Al-Mu'minun. He's talking about our creation, the beginning of creation. And can you imagine, the first page, Allah is talking about our creation. Then He's giving us the message at the last portion of the surah. What did Allah say? Allah said, وَلَقَدْ خَلَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ مِنْ سُلَالَةٍ مِنْ طِينٍ. We have created the man originally from dust, from clay, okay? From dirt. That's we are originally from that. So do not feel arrogance here. Okay, we know what's our original form. Okay, then He said, then Allah is talking about the stages. ثُمَّ خَلَقَنَا النُّطْفَةَ عَلَقًا. I have created him from a sperm. Then we make that sperm to be a clot. ثُمَّ خَلَقَنَا الْعَلَقَةَ مُضْغَةً. We make that clot to be a piece of flesh. مُضْغَة. You know mudghah? It's a little bit, don't get disgusting, but when you eat a piece of meat and it is inside and you are chewing, eating the piece of meat and it is inside your mouth, that is mudghah, something you are eating. That is the piece of flesh. That is the fetus. ثم خلقنا المضغة ثم كسونا المضغة ثم خلقنا المضغة عظاما. We have turned this piece of flesh to be bones. ثم كسونا العظام لحما. We put flesh over the bones, skin. Then Allah said, ثم أنشأناه خلقا آخر. We beautified him. Has eyelashes, green eyes, yellow hair. Does anyone here has yellow hair except Kevin? Okay, so you see all of them are jealous, because you have yellow hair. Okay, and forget about the gray hair. Who has gray hair? Okay. And by the way, let me give you the good news. For those who have a gray hair, I started to get a little bit, Okay. Okay, Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said everyone had gray hair in Islam. He will have hasana for each and every hair, and that will increase his status in Jannah. Takbir.
Allahu Akbar.
So if somebody told you, you have a gray hair, say to him, that gray hair in Islam, and I will be taking the highest places in Jannah. Inshallah. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said that we beautified him. ثُمَّ أَنْشَأْنَاهُ خَلْقًا آخَرَ فَتَبَارَكَ اللَّهُ أَحْسَنُ الْخَالِقِينَ. Almighty, oh Allah, glory be to him. He is the best of the creators subhanahu wa ta'ala. And then Allah said, listen, this is the bad news. ثُمَّ إِنَّكُمْ بَعْدَ ذَلِكَ لَمَيِّتُونَ. Then after this, you are going to die. ثُمَّ إِنَّكُمْ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ تُبْعَثُونَ. On the day of judgment, I'm going to resurrect you. That's all in Surah Al-Mu'minun. We just recited this. What's the powerful message at the end? Allahu Akbar. Listen, and I want you to listen by your heart. Allah is talking to you. Allah said, أَفَحَسِبْتُمْ أَنَّمَا خَلَقْنَاكُمْ عَبَثًا وَأَنَّكُمْ إِلَيْنَا لَا تُرْجَعُونَ. Do you think that I have created you with no purpose? Do you think that I have made all of that for no reason? Do you think after I created you like this, that you will not be back to me? وَأَنَّكُمْ إِلَيْنَا لَا تُرْجَعُونَ. The same word that you use, إِنَّا لِلَّهِ وَإِنَّا إِلَيْهِ. What does it mean? We belong to Allah. He created us. And definitely, we will be taken back to Him, subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now my question is, are you ready to meet with Allah?
Yes.
Inshallah. Remember always that there is a reason for you to be here in this dunya. You have a test. You need to pass the test. May Allah guide us to Jannah. Allahumma ameen. There are 2-3 things I wanted very quickly, inshallah, to mention. But inshallah, you will not get upset to me because I'm missing you since yesterday. And inshallah, you are a wonderful community. You will not get mad at me, inshallah. Okay, number one, for brothers and sisters who are talking during the adhan time, you are not supposed to do this. To talk together while the adhan is made. Because what's the sunnah? You need to respond, answer what the imam is saying. Hayya ala salah. You say what? La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah. Right? So you need to repeat after the imam. If the imam says ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, you repeat after the mu'adhin, inshallah. That's number one. Number two, some brothers and sisters still do not respond to the dua in the witr and you don't say Ameen. You need to say Ameen after the dua. Number three, some of the brothers are making early salam. Again, early salam. I don't know why they are rushing. So our brother Zahid is saying Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, and he is doing with the imam. No, do after. You know what's the word imam? Imam, it's a leader, but in salah. رَجُلٌ يُؤْتَمُّ بِهِ. A man that we follow him. So the imam is made to be followed. Like the salah of imam is made to follow him. So now, I'm not here to get, to shock somebody, but if you made it before the imam or even with the imam, so what's the hadith? He said, سابق الإمام صلاته باطلة. The one who is doing it before the imam, his salah is nullified, invalid, will not be acceptable. وَمُسَاوِي الْإِمَامِ. Musawi means he goes with him. صَلَاتُهُ نَاقِصَةٌ. His reward will be decreased. So make sure that the Imam did the first and the second salam, then you move to do your own one and the second, the first and the second salam, inshallah. So are you mad at me?
No.
So who said yes? Yes.
You say, I'm going to give you bad news. وَإِنَّكُمْ لَمَيِّتُونَ.
Yeah, that's not bad news. I know. It's for some people. For some people. Don't worry. You see? Yes, brother.
What about the people like you of us don't have hair?
Yes.
He doesn't have hair.
Okay. Bismillah. Okay. Inshallah. Just make dua. Inshallah, Allah will send some. Inshallah. Keep making dua, and inshallah, it's all by our hearts. Allah will put into our heart. Yes, brother. Still, we have question. Yes. Okay, inshallah, after salah, you get chocolate and the sisters too. Again, I wanted to welcome Brother Mahmoud, mashallah. We are so happy to have you, brother. May Allah bless you. Let's continue our